Excuse me. This is my man Robin Lewis.
Yo, what's up? What's good? And we are live and direct at the Glenville Festival. You already know CGS will be in the stage momentarily. We got food, games, everything you can think of, fun, entertainment, all that other good stuff. And with my brother,
I know what it is, man. Pull up at the Glenville Festival, man. Sam Miller Park, man. You doing it big, man. CGS.
Hey, yo, shout out to Larry Gardner, shout out to Silver B, shout out to EP, you know what I'm saying, Earl Porter, the whole voice and radio crew, you know what I'm saying, we love and we respect y'all. So yeah, get down here, East Boulevard off St. Clair, the 41st annual Glenville Festival. We will be in the stage. It is going down.
What songs are y'all doing?
Rape.
Okay. That's what's up. So as you can see, the old school. I love that bike, man. Love that bike. Oh yeah, that's hot. You see all the old school cars outside. You about to perform.
Like, you know, you see the cars. You know what I'm saying? It's come down no Sunday.
CGS. I see the shirt. This card stands for Certified Gold Squad. Y'all doing big things in the city of Cleveland. What y'all got planned?
New project coming soon. Video shoot coming soon. We just
Come back. It's at 15.6 thousand views, man. We running them numbers up, man. Y'all know how we... 16. My bad. 16.5.
The numbers is going
We
up,
running
man.
them numbers up,
Yeah,
man.
But yeah,
We taking off this year,
Yeah,
man. That's
man.
how we doing it, man.
Hey, man, come on now. Hey, you can follow me on IG, Easy_CGS, add me on Facebook, Robin Lewis, you know what I'm saying? I'm a top of with y'all, you know.
Follow me at Rio De Niro, man. RIOODENERO.
Okay, that's what's up. I'm gonna get y'all in the studio sometime, so I'm gonna let y'all do y'all thing as everybody get in here.
What's up?
All right.
Anybody want to collaborate, man? Bob out, listen to some beats. I like you, man.
All right, so all right. I'll see y'all in a minute. Bye. All right, so as you can see, I'm turning the camera around right about now, flipping it over there. I'm walking past some more old school music. Pardon my back. You know, Robin Lewis, Noble Willis, CGS, Certified Gold Squad about to perform soon. I'm still actually looking for EP the show host. So Errol Porter, voiceofradio.com. We just looking around here doing our thing. Everybody else like that. So that's what's up. The old school bikes in the building, old school cars in the building. You know, as you can hear, you can see everything that's going on. Security mad deep, so don't start no stuff, won't be no stuff, you know what I'm saying? So, Larry got a little bit hood there. I'm doing my thing, so we doing ours. So, we are here right now at the Glenville Festival over here in Sam Miller Park on the heart of St. Clair and the St. Clair Avenue area. So, as I'm turning the camera around, as I'm seeing all these great, wonderful things and seeing what else is going on. So, pardon me, I'm walking over to the PNC building. The PNC, one of my favorite banks, actually it's my bank, period. You know, how you guys doing? How you going? How you doing? Larry Gardner, voiceofradio.com, headlines and headaches, internet radio. You want to describe what y'all got going on over here?
We can't do video.
Oh, y'all can't do video? Okay, that's all. I do apologize. Okay, so I'm going to be walking around again, so they can't do video or radio, so it is what it is, you know. But they're here, so right now I'm just walking around, seeing what's going on, seeing all the lovely vendors we got. We got the Donald's Trophy. We have some other vendors right here. What is this? Earrings, jewelry. That's hot. We got the t-shirts right here. That's hot. We got the Comma Club. We got the hats going on. Hey,
How you doing, sir?
what's up with the hats, man?
Trying to sell.
How much they for?
Depending on what you're looking at.
You got something like this?
Okay, thank you. Like that is that.
Thank you. How much is that one?
Is that one right there?
Yes, sir. Let's see these. Gotta see these hats right here, and this lovely young lady right here. I said lovely young lady. I'm not trying. Listen, this is the Me Too movement. I ain't trying to make it past or nothing. How much is that, sir?
I'll let you guys that one for $15.
15 bucks? Okay. I'm working, so I gotta be back. And once I'm stop working, I'm gonna come back and get that particular hat. I love that. I love the pinstripes on that. So we got the hats over here. We got
Smell good oils, shea butter, African
shea butter.
soap.
You want to describe them with voiceofradio.com, headlines, headaches. What's your name and what you got?
I'm Rod. I'm volunteering for this vendor right here. We have authentic African jewelry. We have smell good oils, African black soap, shea butter. It's amazing.
It's amazing. So how much is this stuff going for?
The oils go for $5 each. The slopes range between around 10 to 5 as well. The last one, the authentic African black soap, goes for 20, so that's the last one they have.
Okay. African black soap, shea butter, natural ingredients, not none of that stuff you buy in stores with all that chemical stuff that could poison and kill you. So, you gotta. So, how long y'all been selling this for?
I'm just volunteering for these guys right here. He knows best.
Okay.
Master around here.
Okay. Got it. So he's with a customer right now. Cool water, brown forest. Look at these candles right here. All this other stuff that's going on. Natural candles?
Beeswax.
Beeswax candles?
Right. Y'all don't know nothing about them beeswax. That's too old school.
What's your name, sweetheart?
What's her name?
Yes.
She the creator.
What's your name?
I'm Gina.
Gina? And you created all this?
I put all this together, yeah.
Okay. And you including the beeswax candles, y'all got some stuff going on over here. I'm looking at these.
Some body butter.
What about the men stuff? What about the men? I want to.
Sell that too.
I got beard and mustache oils. I got the shaving butter, and this is after you shave. You want to put a little balm on your face so that you don't break out. Got that there.
Okay.